Lark Meadows is our newest neighborhood located in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, within the West Shore School District. The benefits of Lark Meadows is its unique large home sites ranging from 1/3 to an acre in a small neighborhood of 13 home sites. It gives you amazing access to Route 15 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike with easy access to 581 and Interstate 81 to give you commutability into all the local markets. Lark Meadows is offering maybe our widest range of floor plans, anywhere from 1,600 square feet all the way up to 4,000 square feet, featuring Keystone's most popular floor plans: the Lachlan, the Parker, the Covington, the Sebastian, the Hawthorne, and maybe our most popular, the Devonshire floor plan. At Lark Meadows, we are featuring our Sebastian farmhouse floor plan that is 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. The uniqueness of that Sebastian farmhouse is its dark exterior siding with wood columns and copper accents. This is a floor plan that is unique to almost any neighborhood and provides an exterior rarely seen in our market. The focal point of the Sebastian floor plan is the heart of the home. This space features an amazing fireplace with a painted white brick accent wall, a classic kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, and an amazing large island that overflows into a wonderful family room and dining room space. The owner suite on the Sebastian farmhouse is located on the 2nd floor. The owner suite features a serenity bath with double vanity, a tiled shower, and an amazing soaking tub. Building a home at Lark Meadows provides our buyers a unique opportunity to build our widest ranges of floor plans. With Keystone Custom Homes, all of our floor plans provide our buyers the ability to personalize the home of their dream.